CNC SAS plasma systems are available now at CNC Shop and Service. We build complete, ready-to-run CNC plasma cutting systems. This system, the XL2, the Queen, is made for high-definition and high-performance plasma cutting. The XL2 Queen is made of steel frame construction with helical rack and pinion combined with THK linear rails, making for the smoothest motion for clean cuts. All the motors are brushless servos. CNC SAS plasma systems communication is fiber optic to keep the noise out and the comms fast. The CNC software has a user-friendly interface with built-in cut settings, corner speed control, hole speed control, cutting move acceleration control, torch height control built-in, ohmic sensing, and so much more. Create your file with Hypotherm's ProNest software. This program has CAD-CAM, raster to vector, auto nesting, auto kerf comp, and more. The Queen system is built to last and run all shifts. All new system purchases come with a 2-year warranty and support for as long as you own the system. Sizes from 4x8, 5x10, and 6x12. Learn more about our CNC SAS plasma systems at cncsshopandservice.com today.